Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Unboxing. Hiring process has become a lot more convenient over the years, for the most part thanks to many internet services that allow companies to browse profiles of potential employees and get in touch with them in just a few clicks. These kinds of websites have proven to be quite useful, but people quickly figured out that very often the information provided still needs to be verified and the person examined. Frustrated by constant checks and inquiries, Kartik Mandaville, the founder of SpringRole, realized that the recruiting market is ripe for disruption by technology like blockchain, as it will provide transparency, security, and immutability that current solutions sorely lack. For the last 3 years, SpringRole has run a successful business using artificial intelligence to develop a resume parser creator, recruiting recommendation engine, and compile a database of skills. These features will contribute to the new SpringRole platform that will be built on the blockchain from the ground up. So let's take a look at the main problems and the ways how SpringRole intends to solve them. First of all, up to 53% of resumes contain false or incomplete information that requires further research by the employer, which requires time and money. The solution to this problem is pretty straightforward. The transparent and resistant to meddling blockchain ledger will make sure that any attestation about past education and employment will only need to be done once. After the initial checkup, this information will stay with SpringRole and will serve as unquestionable verification. The second problem is that there is no way to tell if a person lied about their skills in their profile other than performing custom tests for every employee. Skillshare will provide a database of skills that they have compiled over the years. Users will be able to verify each other's skills through endorsements, the influence of which will depend on the user's reputation on the SpringRole platform. To prevent abuse, endorsements will cost Spring tokens. The actual amount will depend on many factors like skill scores of the endorser and the rate of acceptance of the endorsements. Another problem is that many spam accounts of current recruiting websites cause the reputation of users to be inaccurate and bring down the legitimacy of the platform as a whole. Both individuals and organizations that would like to use SpringRole would have to go through an extensive identification process that includes a KYC, Know Your Client system, company DNS verification, collection of university or employer addresses and telephones, and more. This will dramatically reduce the amount of foul play that exists on other platforms. The use of the SpringRole network will be facilitated by ERC20 Spring tokens, as they will be used for every payment or payout. Employers will need these to access resumes stored in the platform, and users will need them to attract endorsements to their profile. Thanks to this, a remarkable number of activities will be monetized by the users. There are several ways to obtain Spring tokens, such as referral program rewards, for example, reward for endorsing another user. The validator, for example, a university, will receive a fraction of tokens for their work. Also, completing your profile and getting attestations, and being a mediator for a freelancing project. There is a wide range of potential applications for a network, such as SpringRole, starting with simple employer reference checks and freelancing searches, and ending with surveys and mock interviews. The team of developers is experienced both in the recruiting industry and are avid cryptocurrency enthusiasts who even created their own exchanges before. If you would like to participate in the Spring Token sale or just get more information about backend technology and algorithms that are the DNA of SpringRole, please check out the links below. What other industries require innovation? As an employer, what other features would be useful to you in a platform such as SpringRole? Please elaborate in the comment section below. So now we can say that SpringRole has been officially crypto unboxed.